It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hey guys, welcome back to our podcast. My name is Ivan. I'm a Gen Z.
Hi, my name is Faiza. I'm millennial and her lovely mother.
Okay.
So today our topic is tropes. Trope is basically for millennial like me. Let me just explain. Trope
Okay.
means kind of a category or genre for.
Trope is usually used for romantic movies, books.
Yeah, but-
dynamic between the couple.
Anyways, meaning of trope I mean, and we are not doing like book trope or something like that. We're just doing it journal, so it could be used in a book or dramas or
drama.
movies, anything. Anyways, so what is your favorite trope?
I really like friends to lovers. I know, like it's really
It's cringy.
no, it's slow burn. I love fast burn, but I hate slow burn. But I really like friends to lovers.
Friends to lovers, huh?
Yeah, I'm a friends to lovers type of person. Like, love twinkling watermelons, so cute. Really hated that it was so slow burn, but then very cute. So,
Okay, me
what about you?
personally, I like second chances trope.
Isn't that so toxic though?
No, not really. I like second chances. Stories are actually more interesting in second chances one.
So today we'll be just talking about the main tropes and not all of them because there's so many tropes. So just the main common ones that we thought,
Yeah.
it'll be fun to talk about. So.
Anyway, so our first trope that we have picked today to discuss is enemies to lover.
Okay, so
I
that's
love
a
that trope.
very famous trope. Like even if you're not a book reader or a movie that invested into movies, there's always an enemies to lovers.
Yeah, even if you like drama, you know that kind of you get that you are first hate each other and then you slowly fall in love with that person.
Usually it's a misunderstanding that leads to hating each other.
One of the another trope that which I find really cute is fake relationship.
Oh my god, fake dating.
See, in this thing, if you're looking at the book or a movie or drama or anything, I think most interesting and funny trope you can find and you fall in love immediately is fake
Yeah.
relationship.
Like there's one that Nuran Mami, Choti Mami had recommended to me when I was like 12 or something. It was To All the Boys I've Loved Before, and she recommended it was like the third part had come out like that day. So that's why she's like, I want you to check it out. So I watched it, and it starts out as fake dating, and
Okay.
I completely fell in love with the movie.
Yes.
So you
Anyway.
were talking about Second Chance, right?
Yeah.
So have you ever seen Second Chance portrayed very nicely on the screen? Because I have watched a drama.
I have
And
actually.
it was Second Chance. It was very slow, so I kind of dropped
Which
it
one?
halfway. I'm not gonna name names because I don't want people to come after me because I know it's a very lovely drama. But as I mentioned before, I am not into slow-paced dramas.
See, I have learned it. I have seen it. But for me, the second chance, yeah, I watch a lot of C dramas. And in C dramas, of course, second chance is there. But second chance, I'm going to do, especially people who has watched Pakistani drama. Anyway, one of the trope which my elder son love and we make fun of him is office
Because he
romance.
doesn't admit it. Like, if he admitted it...
He doesn't admit it. Yeah,
Office romance, it's, I think, one of the funnier tropes because trying to hide it from your colleagues and...
yeah.
Usually office romance is the CEO and employee, which is...
No,
very
in
funny.
between employee and employee also. I
that
have seen
happens
it.
as well.
Yeah.
But again, if it's employee, it gets more funnier to kind of try to hide it
Yeah.
and everything.
So there's one more trope that which is nowadays is getting very famous. It's called fantasy.
Okay, fantasy. So let me just put this here. I watched Twilight yesterday. I don't consider myself as a fantasy person, and honestly, I cannot let people know that I really liked it. I'm not a fantasy person. I've always been against it.
Personally, I actually like it. Recently, it has included more fantasy.
Fantasy, right?
Yeah.
So it's now
It has become like gods, which is like Zeus,
angels,
Poseidon,
angels.
angels and demons.
Just take all the
all the
supernatural characters. from
yeah, so basically
Supernatural.
supernatural characters included aliens also, as in
mermaids,
sirens, banshees, all this kind of thing. Aliens.
Kitsune. Foxes.
Yeah, and that's why I said, and aliens also is included in
Aliens
it.
is
Yeah.
very thing.
Yeah, so in the fantasy is all, and then there's also thing about traveling to another world. Anything you would do it doesn't matter which trope you are. If it's written very well,
Yeah.
it goes very well. It turned out to be like that. I just thought werewolf. So they were like it shows that the werewolf doesn't belong to this world, but they take human or like half werewolves, werewolf who jump to our world to escape or something like that. So that's how it started. It was very nicely written book. I don't
if
remember
you
the
guys
name,
don't know,
but
me and my mom, we love reading books.
Yeah, I read
we have,
every
like,
day.
a huge bookshelf. So,
Yeah.
but like I read books, but I read them online. But I read them online first, and then if I like them, I'll buy them.
For me, I love that digital reading is very convenient, but the feel of a book you cannot even
Okay, I
compare.
have a question. Do you consider yourself a fast reader or a slow reader? Like
I'm a very fast reader.
same, I'm very fast.
I actually finish about 500 pages book in a day.
I finished it in one night.
Yeah.
So there was this trend going on TikTok, like how long, how many chapters can you complete in 15 minutes? So this person was reading and she's like, I completed 2 chapters. I'm so proud of myself. And I was like,
15 minutes. Okay, if it's like interesting, then definitely 4 I will
At
go.
least 4 or 5.
Okay, what is who's your favorite author?
So when I was young, I used to really love Dog Diaries. So it was her. Now my thing, I actually started. I love Twilight so much that I started reading Twilight. But I read this book series called Twisted, the Twisted series, and I really like their books. So as of right now, Anna Huang.
Okay, for me, definitely forever Daniel Steele,
I want to read Daniel Steele's books.
and
but
then Dan Brown.
since we're on the topic of tropes, what is your favorite movie that doesn't go with your favorite trope?
My favorite movie that one. The Day After Tomorrow. Day After Tomorrow is one of my
What's
favorite.
the trope in Day After Tomorrow? Forced proximity.
No, it's
Forced proximity.
Friends to Lover.
Wait, let me think. It's that one, right? The natural disasters.
Yeah.
And all stuff. Okay, it's Friends to Lovers and it's forced proximity.
What is forced proximity?
It's like you guys are stuck in one place.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, kind of, yeah. But actually it's a Friends to Lover before they found out they're stuck to place. But yeah. So that's the one thing.
Yeah, so now
anyway,
moving on.
yeah, so now moving on. We are going to do games, and this time we have a treat. We're going to do 2 games. Okay. Anyways, so today game is Would You Rather. Okay. So
Book trope edition?
yeah, book trope edition, and I have chosen all the tropes which I have chosen. I have chosen the same thing in that. So, from enemies to lover trope, I'm asking, you want academic rivals or office rivals?
I really love academic rivals. I know it's really rating, but I really like it.
Yeah, me also. I think I'll go for academic because it's more fun and it's young love. So yeah, it's definitely going to be interesting. Anyway, second our trope was fake relationship. So date to jealous someone, mostly ex,
Okay.
or date or married to jealous someone, or date to inherit for inheritance.
Ooh. Date to make someone jealous, that just makes it so spicy and
Yeah, for me,
have
I'll
your
go
life
another
virgin.
way. Date to inherit. Anyway,
Okay.
our third trope was office romance. So in that, boss dating an employee or employee dating an employee.
Was dating an employee. I'm a sucker
Yeah, I go
for,
with
I'm a sucker for What's Wrong with Secretary Kim.
Business Proposal.
Park Seo-joon. I love Business Proposal, but Park Seo-joon just.
Anyways, then the one trope we did not discuss actually It was Sibling Friends.
No, we have to discuss that. I really like that trope.
Okay, so we'll just have a little bit say that the Sibling Friends is like
Best friend's brother or best friend's sister or brother's best friend or something.
yeah, anyway, like you end up dating like
It's a
Sibling
relationship
friends.
connected to your sibling, basically.
you end up dating either siblings friends or your friend's sibling, basically. So that's the trope.
That is like that comes second on my favorite trope. Like that's like
Yeah.
second to me.
I kind of find it
No.
yeah.
Okay, so I read the book.
Okay, so most of the time, usually, if especially it's about like we are women, so female, so we just going to talk about
Brothers
friend or the friend's
friend's
brother,
brother, yeah.
whatever. So it's usually that they're very egoistic and they're like treating you like a brother.
No. Okay, so for me, I read.
No, not for me.
I read this book, Twisted Love. Okay, and it's brother's best friend. Okay, I love that trope so much.
Anyway, that trope is way down on my list.
That trope is like second.
Anyways, so again for that trope I have done would you rather game, your brother's best friend or your best friend's brother.
Brother's best friend. Honestly, my brother has no good looking friends, but
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm so sorry.
So you don't consider him as
I
your
don't
brother's
yeah, I consider them as brothers. I don't like,
You see why I don't like this? You see why I don't like this trope?
I'm so sorry.
Anyway, let's move on. The second chance trope that my favorite one. So for the would you rather giving second chance for a kid or meeting for a second chance for forgiveness?
Meeting for second chance for like a forgiveness.
I'm going for kid actually. Because anyway, of course fantasy, werewolf versus vampire. Vampire
Okay.
for you.
No,
Werewolf.
werewolf. I really like Twilight. Love the vampire, but like the
Yeah.
werewolf in Twilight, though.
Yeah, same thing here. Werewolf.
Werewolf.
Anyway, that was our would you rather.
Yeah.
Okay, now the second game, which is very interesting. It's
game
about
was-
we are going
Shout
to.
out to you because she just got it out of nowhere like this game.
Thank you very much. Anyway, so this game is that I'm going to tell a movie name or something, and she has to tell me which trope it is.
So you're going first?
No, you should go first.
No, you go first.
Okay, so what we were arguing about which movies to do, so we end up doing like 3 each, and we each going to do one Indian movie, one we are going to do English movie, and one we're going to do
K series or C series?
yeah. So my first Hindi is Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Best friends to lovers.
No.
Second chance?
Yes.
Yeah, I was about to put Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and I was like, I don't really know the trope. It's like one of the two, so I just...
Yeah. It's second chance.
Okay, one that I know for sure. Dilwale, Kajol and Shah Rukh Khan's characters.
It's actually enemies to lovers.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
You know they hated each other in
Yeah,
this?
no, but it's not enemies to lovers.
Really?
It's not.
Then?
It's second chance. You forgot they break up and then they meet again and start dating again.
It's not second chance,
It's
please.
second chance.
No, it's not. Kuch Kuch Hota is second chance. Like they moved on with their life. Kajol did not moved on in Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge. She loved
Not
that guy.
DDLJ.
Then?
Dilwale, the Varun Dhawan one and Kriti Sanon and that one.
Oh, yeah, that's second chance.
That was your fault, not mine. I said Dilwale. I didn't say DDLJ.
Yeah, my fault. Yeah, definitely second chance.
See, I was like, why are you saying
That movie was not even in my mind.
That's why I said it.
Okay, let's do English.
Yeah.
Okay. Proposal.
No, I did the same thing.
No way. Bride Wars.
Best friend brother.
Yeah. Then let's do K.
K. You did K?
Yeah.
I also did K.
Okay, Vincenzo.
I haven't seen it.
No way. Man. Okay.
Just think of an
You ask me until then.
Horang.
Horang.
The app you will not reach.
It's a sibling thing.
What is it?
The sibling, brother's best friend.
Shit, how?
Because I've seen it.
Oh yeah, you saw it with me. It's kind of like Dead Brother's best friend.
Okay.
That's what I.
Okay, we're watching Alchemy of Soul, so let's do Alchemy of Soul.
I haven't gone to the one like episode
But
2.
you can just tell it.
Friends to lovers.
No.
Office romance. Kinda?
No. It's fantasy, man.
Oh shit! Literally alchemy.
Anyways, I hope you really like our segment today. And
Again, I'm very sorry. I feel so bad for that comment.
anyways, please do tell us your favorite tropes in the comments and
Okay, wait. One last
and
question.
your favorite movies and ask us to guess which trope it
Yeah.
is, and we will guess it for you. Anyways, so do tell us. We would love to read it. We will love to shout. We will give shout out definitely.
No, we love reading everyone's comments.
Yeah, exactly. So do tell us, and do tell us if you want to do another trope episode. We have lots more trope, and we have lots of movies.
We can do a part 2.
Yeah, exactly. So do tell us. Hope you have fun.
If you did, if you're on Spotify, like and follow. If you're on YouTube, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and let us know down in the comments what you guys want us to do next, and definitely give us your thoughts. Like, really appreciate you guys, the love and support we're getting. Anyways,
Yeah. You take care. Enjoy the books. Try reading one today. You will love it in the end. And do tell us your tropes, okay?
let me know which team are you, Team Edward or Team Jacob, like on the comments,
Anyways, you take care. Have fun. Bye.
Bye.